Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to Ray Education. Now we are going to see about Unit 1, that is an introduction to artificial intelligence from our class 10 syllabus. This is a syllabus um, which has been given by CBSE as a term wise. Here there are two terms, it's a term 1 and term 2. In our term 1 we are going to read the three subject specific skills from the Unit 1, 2 and 3. In our term 2 we are going to read the balance 4 units. So this is the syllabus which has been given by CBSE last week. Now I am going to start the introduction of the Unit 1. In our Unit 1, we are going to see about the two chapters. One is a foundational concept of artificial intelligence and second one is a basic concept of AI. Let's step into the foundational concept of AI. So first, what is intelligence? According to the traditional definition, intelligence is a uniform cognitive capacity people are born with. Yes, each and every people born in this world has their unique intelligence. Without intelligent system, no children are born. They are born with their own unique intelligence system. This capacity can be easily measured by short answers. Yes, here they are saying about the test, but whatever it may be, while we are growing up, what the field we are much more interested. We are going into that field and we are making our intelligence more in that field. Yes, now I'm a grown up man. I know most of things in the computer science and the artificial intelligence, but I don't know other concepts in the physics or chemistry like that. While we are going, we are making our individual, I mean, we are giving our intelligence to a individual thing. That's the year. What's the intelligence according to the Webster's definition? The power of knowing, the ability to understand and or deal with new situation. Yes, whatever the new situations arise, we may be acknowledged to according to that situation. If you see that while we are going in the bike, there anything emergency is there, we are suddenly putting our braking system. So this is one type of general intelligence. So all the things comes under our human intelligence only. See here, I saw two examples, the development of TV and model. Why are these things has been developed? These things has been developed to make our life easier. See, the evolution of the TV from the 1930s to 2010 or the year of the 2022 or 21, but there are more advancement technologies are there. In not only in the field of the mobile phone, there is a television, the development is in each and every field. All this development has been here only for the easier life of us. So to make our life easier, all these things has been evolved. Next one, what is artificial intelligence? The artificial intelligence is nothing but of we are going to give our intelligence artificially to the machine. The capacity given by humans to machines to memorize and learn from experience, to think and create, to speak, to judge and make decision. Yes, this is the thing. We are going to give all the intelligence which the humans we have. We are going to feed this intelligence to the machine. So that's the artificial intelligence era has been begun. See here, I just displayed one mobile image. Is now we are going to use our mobile phone just only for the dial-up things. No, it's necessary not. We are going to use the all the applications which are there. For example, we are using the Google Maps, otherwise we are using that any fitness apps, or there YouTube, Netflix, and lot of apps are there. So nowadays the mobile phone is more beyond than speaking. We are not only using it for a speak, we are using it for the multi-purpose skills. So all these year the AI era has been evolved and it has been we are using the AI in our mobile technology itself. So you are waking up in the morning, you are keeping the alarm. So at that time, the alarm rings up, you wake up and you seeing your mobile. While you are seeing the mobile, automatically go for that any messages from the WhatsApp or is the Facebook or is Instagram. So all these things comes under the artificial intelligence. So that we must accept that without our knowledge, we are using in the field of artificial intelligence. Yes, these are the 9 types of general intelligence we humans have. What are the 9 types of intelligence we have? First one is the naturalist. Naturalist is the understanding living things and reading nature. Yes, we are surrounded by nature. It's a God's gift. So understanding about the living things and the natures, we can say about that naturalist. Second one, musical intelligence. Yes, of course, each and everyone in this field has their own musical intelligence. Yes, I was not much more to sing or anything, but I can able to hear the music. That's why musical intelligence I have. See here, screening sounds, that pitch, tone, rhythm, and timbre. Everyone loves the music of the babies crying and babies laughing. This is also one type of the musical intelligence. And third one, logical mathematical. Yes, this is the things which used to solve the real world patterns or real world problems. All the things will be solved by the logical and mathematical thing. Next one, existential, tackling the questions of why we live and why we die. This comes under the existential intelligence. Next, interpersonal skills. It is the important intelligence thing. We are going to communicate with some other. How we are going to communicate with them. So these things comes under the interpersonal intelligence. So sensing people's feelings and motivates them. Next one is then bodily kinesthetic, coordinating your mind with your body. Yes, this is the thing we can make it is by the yoga. When we are doing that yoga, we can be able to make all the things stability in our human body. Next one, linguistic, finding the right words to express what you mean. Yes, if I speak now, I just think that what the correct word I want to use to express my thing. Then only the thing which I am coming to say can be able to understand by you. That is known as a linguistic intelligence. Next one is an intrapersonal intelligence. Yes, if you see that in that interpersonal intelligence, we are going to communicate with someone else. We are going to say something, he is going to understand the same thing. But in that intrapersonal is differ, that is the thing, we are going to understand ourselves what we are coming to say. That's the important thing, you know. Understanding yourself, what you feel and what you want. Now I like to say you one simple point that you just be the good person for at least yourself, not for others also. If you are the good to yourself, you can be the good for others also. So the intrapersonal skill is the important thing, and always think positive and do the things positive things only. If you do so, then you will intrapersonal skills improves you to all these types of intelligence. These are the 9 types of intelligence which the humans have. Next one, what are the various AI applications around us? See here, starting with Curiosity rover. Yes, we send the Curiosity rover to the Mars. We, in the sense, the NASA sent the Curiosity rover to the Mars and observing what the thing happening there. Rocket engines, robot pilots, drone delivery, flying cars, aircraft fighter, submersible robots, autonomous ships, recommendation for marketing, speech recognition, face recognition, human automation system, and autonomous vehicles. So all these things are now around us as an AI application. Here most of the things we use and most of the things we not use are used by the corporates, but there are things I can say that the recommendation for marketing is used by everyone else. How the recommendations has been in our human life. You see that we are using the YouTube, otherwise we are using that Facebook. Simply we can say that if you are going for the YouTube and searching any type of music, then you log out, and if you are again going for the YouTube, it shows the recommendation of the videos which based on your previous search types. As the same thing, it comes on the Zomato or Swiggy apps also. You see that you are going for search any food, but there it will shows that whatever the foods you daily I mean ordered previous, it will be comes under your daily recommended list. Like the apps like the Netflix, Angama, whatever it may be, all the things as in our life is the recommendation for marketing. Speech recognition, yes, we use our mobile phone. In our mobile phone we use the password as the speech recognition. Otherwise we use our Gboard. In that Gboard you just make the text typing by the speech recognition, etc., spatial recognition. So all these things are comes around as an AI application in our daily life. Next, what is not artificial intelligence? You think that you imagine whatever the things all comes artificial intelligence means only the things which consider the data set. If there is a data set and it is going to work according to the data set, then only it can be considered as an artificial intelligence machine. There are lot and lot of normal machines around us like the refrigerator, otherwise the what can be said that air conditioner. So these are the devices which are surrounded us, but is not considered as an artificial intelligence machine. Only we can say it is an artificial intelligence when it deals with an data. There must be a data. According to the data, it must be work. You see that if you are using the Google Map, already the Google Maps has been defined in the Google Web server. So this is a data set. If you are using anything in our Google search engine also, all the things has been already predefined there. So if it is an artificial intelligence, already the predefined data set must be there. If doesn't there is any type of data set, it can be considered only as a normal machine. Next one, we are going to step into second topic. It is known as the basic concept of AI. In the basic concept of AI, we are going to see the 3 things. One is an artificial intelligence, second one is a machine learning, and third one is a deep learning. Most of the people confuse themselves that machine learning and deep learning are the various fields. It is not considered as the AI like that. No, it's definitely not. The machine learning and deep learning are the subset of artificial intelligence. See here, the programs with the ability to learn and reason like humans can be said as artificial intelligence. Otherwise, we can say that any technique which enables the computers to mimic the human behavior, it can be said as the artificial intelligence. The machine learning algorithms with the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. So it can be considered as the machine learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning which makes the computation of multi-layer neural network visible. See here, when it comes under the deep learning, it speaks about the neural networks. So these are the things which comes under the artificial intelligence only. The machine learning and deep learning is not the different field. They both are the subset of artificial intelligence. Next one, what are the three domains of AI? There are three domains. One is data sciences, computer vision, and natural language processing. See, the data sciences is used in the field of analytics, business intelligence, statistics, data, anywhere. You see, the artificial intelligence contributes the most to other the departments like mathematics, statistics, philosophy, and we can say all the fields which are integrated to comes as an AI. AI is not in separate field, but AI is in everywhere. You see that the first one is the data sciences. In the data sciences, we are going to make the analytics or business development. You can use your artificial intelligence in the field of share market, otherwise in the field of, we can say, medical robot assistant surgeries, the field of education, all the fields the data sciences will be there. Second one speaks about the computer vision and the natural language processing. The computer vision is nothing but of the combination of the deep neural networks and the deep learning, which means that artificial intelligence, the machine learning, and the big data science. So when these two things are joined together, it can be said as a computer vision and the natural language processing. Natural language processing, you already know that whatever the language which was spoken by humans, it must be understood by the computer. When it comes in the terms of AI, we can set it as a natural language processing. So these are the three types of AI domains. The first one is data science, second one is computer vision, and third one is natural language processing. Next one, how did the AI has been impact in our daily life? Yes, it's certainly, if you are well aware of that, otherwise not aware of that, we are in the field of artificial intelligence and we are in the era of AI. Well, at the time of morning wake up to at the time of sleeping, the AI has been impacted in our daily life. See here, they just set it by the clock method here, YouTube, Uber, email, Google Maps, Siri, portrait mode, the face deduction, Swiggy, Googling, parcel delivery, domains, bank fraud deduction, whatever it may be. See here, all the things here we are using is an artificial intelligence. All the things uses the data set. So here, I assure that each and everybody of us has been waking up in our mobile in this era and also sleeping by this thing. Yes, I do like this. I don't know about others, but I think a 95% of the people in the world has an impact of AI in the daily life with or without the knowledge of them. Even from the KG children's right now. Why? Because of now the world is an virtual, which I mean, why is the word virtual means all the school children and the college children are using their virtual classrooms only. We are not going for the direct classrooms nowadays. We are just using by the Gmeet or Zoom or anything for our thing. So the children from the KG from to the aged man, all of them are in the era of artificial intelligence. So the AI is making the biggest impact on our daily life. Even the housewives use their mobile to order the online shopping or anything. They are not moving to the shop today's. They are just making the jewelry pots in the form of only the online shopping only. So all these things comes under the impact of AI. Thank you everyone. We are at the end of the session. For more videos about AI, please subscribe my channel Ray Bakesteres Education. Like my video contents also and share it with your friends. And periodically I will upload all the videos based on the artificial intelligence for the CBSE students. Thank you once again.